2000 model MACK RD688S, MACK E7, 400 horsepower diesel, 9-speed Eaton Fuller trans, 200-inch wheelbase, dual line wet kit, MACK CAMELBAK suspension in the rear, sliding fifth wheel, left mark 24.5s all the way around, knee deep in rubber. MACK rear ends, double frame, power divider, cruise control, very nice, neat truck. Truck runs out and drives out good. You can come check it out here at our lot in Finger, Tennessee, or you can check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. We thank you for watching our video.